Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can copy Instagram profile link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then you need to click on edit profile, and here you need to select your username. You simply need to copy that and click on copy. Then you need to go back and open any browser, and once you are in browser you simply need to type in www.instagram.com slash and put your username, paste it and search that. So you can see that I land onto my Instagram profile, as you can see that. So you simply need to go into the browser and select the whole link that I created recently. Click on copy, and you can share that link with your friends on WhatsApp or Messenger as well. So this is a process by which you can copy profile link on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.